It is time to cut the big fish. I get the scissors. Now take the paper off the big fish. Now I'm going to have to cut the camera off so I can take the big fish out and put them in the pan and wash them off. And I'll get back with you all. The fish is now nice and washed and clean, seasoning up. Now he's ready to go in the oven. Y'all like the big fish? Don't the big fish look good? I just put the fish in the oven. We'll let it cook for 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. Then we'll let it cool down and then we'll take the skin off. Big fish is cooking. You see, it's almost done. I have a clip I want to show you guys. Something weird happened when I had went to Jewel's. I can't explain it. You have to see for yourself. Luckily, I was recording at the time, so you can see what weird thing happened or weird noise or something. Just something weird happened when I went to Jewel's. Where's our bag? I could go this way. Which way did he go? Do you know where he went with the basket? Oh, okay. Maybe he looked at the list. He went to go get some things. I'm not sure here. So let's see. I'm gonna have to check my phone to make sure they put my money on my card. It'd be nice to get some fruit. There he goes. You get the paper towels. What is that? They got birds and things up in here. Pot roast, they always $16.99. What they got over here? $1.49 a pound. What's that? Pork roast. Pork roast looking pretty good there. Pork roast. Good sale too. Take too long to cook though. That's my brother. I found some too. I walked right past. I asked him about getting the, I'm going to look in the cooler bag. Some like TV dinners or something. Okay. Something that was cooked quick in the microwave. Need some Louisiana hot sauce. He's moving fast. I'm going to freeze it. Oh, my coffee creamer. Lasagna or something. I want to get one free. And how much is one? $6.99. $2 chicken mango. Orange chicken. There's only 2 orange chickens left. Well, only 2 orange chickens left. 2 for $4. Smart ones. 2 for $4. What's that? You've been on that for a long time. Mexican. Ham and eggs. Now those scrambled eggs looks pretty good there. Okay. So I'm gonna go get my coffee creamer before I forget that. Look on here, that 2 things in my basket. There goes some paper towels they couldn't get. So excuse me. Sorry about that. Thank you. Wait a minute, what coffee creamer? This drink's over here. And then the wrong aisle. Make some Italian beef. £6 for $30. How much is this here? 51. See here. We got £6. We'll get one of these. That's like $35. Then we gotta get peppers. Now hot. How much are the peppers? Oh, let's see now. Really hot. Get hot. Oh, I can't reach it. How much are the peppers though? You're not telling me how much the peppers are. So I get 1 hot. I wonder if they have medium. Nope, just mild and hot. No medium, no medium, no medium. Okay. I gotta find some bread to go with it. My cream, that's what I was looking for. Oh, I passed. I got this over here. I think I found it. I found it. Let me get my cream. star. $5.99. Other ones $4.99. Thing is, I'm gonna get a small one. Get a small one. Okay. No, them not the paper towels he be getting.
You said what?
He be getting Scott paper towels, same type of toilet paper.
What? Oh, what?
The big fish is done. I made some butter sauce. Now I gotta wait for the fish to cool down so I can skin it. And then I'll fix a plate. Oh yeah, I gotta fix my vegetables. I'll get back with you.